Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1040 with your W-2. First, gather all your income statements, including your W-2 forms from each employer. Next, identify your filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. Then, accurately transfer your wage information from your W-2 onto the appropriate lines of Form 1040. Finally, calculate your total income and determine any applicable deductions or credits to reduce your tax obligation. Before you begin, ensure you have all necessary documents. Your W-2 forms provided by your employer detail your wages and withheld taxes. If you have other income, like from investments or contract work, you will need Form 1099s. Also, compile records for potential deductions, such as student loan interest, medical expenses exceeding 5% of your adjusted gross income, or charitable contributions. Having these ready streamlines the entire filing process. Now, let's walk through Form 1040. Start by filling in your personal details and selecting your correct filing status. Next, locate line 1, where you will enter your total wages from your W-2 forms. Carefully transfer all other income, such as interest or dividends, to their respective lines. Then, calculate your adjusted gross income by subtracting any eligible deductions. This figure is crucial for determining your taxable income and potential tax liability. After completing Form 1040, meticulously review every entry for accuracy to avoid errors or delays. You can choose to e-file your return for faster processing and refunds, or you can mail in your paper forms. Remember to sign and date your return before submission. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Filing accurately ensures a smooth tax season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.